There are two types of people in this world. Those who have the 1761 NET-ENI from Rockwell Automation who are feeling lost right about now, and those who need to upgrade legacy DF1 PLCs to a new Ethernet IP-based system. Luckily for both, we have nothing but good news here at ProSoft. If you are currently a NET-ENI user, you must know that Rockwell Automation no longer sells this product. If you need spares or you want to upgrade your DF1 control equipment or SCADA communications or connect a DF1-based MicroLogix to Ethernet IP, ProSoft has your solution. Our DF1 routing module can be used for PLC to PLC or PLC to HMI SCADA communications. You can now get your data where you need it and remotely program your PLCs. Your engineer can now sit in his office instead of having to go out to where the PLC is located and plug in. We even offer two types of solutions depending on your communication needs. Take advantage of the IIoT and we will help get you to a faster, time-saving future. To learn more about how ProSoft can help you get your data where you need it and about all of our other communication solutions, be sure to visit us at www.prosoft-technology.com.